Today, we're gonna make something like this in Apple Motion. My project settings. First, we need to add some arrows. So let's go to the library, then shapes, then arrow. Let's apply that. After that, let's go to behaviors, basic motion, and point at. Then the next thing we need to do is we need to make our object that we will put in here. So let's do that also. Let's add a circle. So press C on your keyboard. Let's reset the properties. Okay, then put that in a group, Command-Shift-N. Let's rename it as object. Then now here on the point at behavior, let's drag the object group inside this object. Then set the transition to 0. Then change the axis to Y. Then after that, we need to create a null object. So press R on your keyboard. Reset the parameter. Next is we need to animate this rectangle. So let's animate the position. Then around maybe 1 second. Then adjust your handles. You can adjust here in the keyframe editor. You can also adjust here. So I'm gonna adjust my keyframes here. Let's go to our first frame and see our animation. Maybe that's fine. Then the next step is we will link the position of this object group to our null. So let's rename this also as null. We can turn that off. So here on the position, right click or left click, then add parameter behavior link. Then here on the source object, the null. Now that we've done that, let's duplicate our arrow. So Command D, then just duplicate again. In this part, it depends on you how many arrows you want. In my case, I'm gonna try to fill up at least maybe 4 rows of this arrow. I will group them, Command-Shift-G, then duplicate, then adjust the position. Duplicate again, then let's take a look. Then the next thing is we need to add some camera. So add object, camera, switch to 3D. Then let's take a look. Then next thing is we need to add a light. So go to add object, light. Then this light, let's put it inside this group. And then the position of this one should be linked here on the null. So let's reset everything. Add a link, add parameter behavior link to null. Because we blink the light to the null, the Z position went to 0. So what we need to do is go to your behaviors, then adjust the Z offset. Change the fall of start and fall of. So fall of start maybe this, and fall of start 16. Okay. Then change the soft edge around like this. Then check shadows, or maybe no need for shadows, yeah. So here on the intensity, let's animate this. So turn it up at 0 first. So maybe this one will work. Okay, let's see. So that's how to make that animation. Very easy and easy to follow.